I told you the definition of set. I told you what the add does, what clear does, what copy does, what does the difference do. Okay, similarly difference update, discard, intersection, intersection update. Okay, is disjoint, is subset. Okay, along with that, now today you're going to learn pop. Okay, pop, what it does, it removes randomly any element from the set. Okay, say it has removed, in this example we are having apple, banana and cherry as a set of fruits. Now when I execute pop, it has removed apple. Okay, so let me try this. I'll copy this. I'll go to the command prompt. So I'll type Python. Now I will paste it. I'll paste it. I'll go here. I did not type. Say I'll right click on it. Copy. I'll come here. I'll paste here. Okay, I have pasted here. Now I'll type enter. Now fruits.pop. Fruits.pop. It is dot. It is dot. Okay, after that pop. So banana has been removed. Similarly, I'll execute one more time. I'll execute one more time. Okay, it is removing banana. Similarly, if, if you see the next example, the next thing is, if you want to specifically remove any specific element, you need to use remove. Okay, here we are removing banana from the fruits. Okay, similarly we may change that. We may change that one to cherry. Okay, say this time I'll copy this. This time I'll copy this. I'll come here. I'll paste here. So it has been removed. If you want to check it, just you type fruits. Okay, only one element is there, that is apple. Okay, similarly remove a specific element. Say I'll take one more example. I'll take animals. Okay, I'll take kangaroo. I'll take elephant. I'll take elephant. I'll take tiger. Say if you want to remove tiger from the animals, just you need to type animals dot remove. Okay, within this you need to specify tiger. Okay, so I'll close this. I'll type enter. Now I'll check with animals. If you see there, tiger has been removed. Okay, now can you tell me how to remove the kangaroo from here? Please type me, Usha. If I want to remove the kangaroo from the set, you see here and type it. Okay, animals dot remove kangaroo. Good Usha. Okay, now the next method is symmetric difference. Okay, what it does is it contains all the items from both the sets except items that are present in both the sets. Okay, whatever that are not there in commonly, they will be there. In this example, the common elements here are apple. Okay, now apart from apple, you will be having a banana, Cherry, Google, and Microsoft. That will be the symmetric difference. Okay, so the elements which are not present, which are which are not in common, will be placed as a separate symmetric difference. Okay, say in this case, I'll copy this entire thing. I'll go here. I'll paste here. Okay, similarly, this time, say the next thing is Google, Microsoft, and Apple. I'll paste here. Now x dot symmetric difference. No need to waste of time. Just copy this. You come here, you paste it and type enter. Okay, if you want to know the z values, z, just you give z. Okay, so apart from apple, we got all other elements. Say I will enter one more element. I will enter one more element, pomegranate. Okay, enter. Now similarly, y is equal to, again here also it is pomegranate. See the spelling, pomegranate. Now after this type enter. Now the difference, symmetric difference. Say okay, we did some two times some spelling mistake. Pomegranate and pomegranate. I'll type enter. Similarly, y, we need y. Z, I'll type Z. Okay, so we got pomegranate. It is not common. It is not common because that is not present in y here. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಉಷಾ? Okay, now the next thing is, that's about symmetric difference. The next thing is union. It prints all the elements. Okay, apple, banana, cherry. Okay, similarly, apple two times is there. We'll be getting only one time. Okay, so overall it's a mixture of x union y here. Okay, it's very simple. The next thing is, we want to update. We want to update. Okay, insert the items from set y into set x. In set y we are having Google, Microsoft, Apple. That will be updated to x here. Okay, so when we print x, we will be getting Google, Microsoft, and Apple, along with apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, that is the meaning of update. Okay, this is about the set. Okay, now the next example, or the next data type is tuple. Okay, say tuples also used to store the multiple elements or heterogeneous elements. Okay, they are ordered. Okay, they are unchangeable, they are immutable. Okay, they are immutable. But when it comes to set, they are unordered, they are changeable. Here here tuples are ordered and unchangeable. That is the difference. So tuples must be written in the round brackets or small brackets. Okay, you see here, this tuple is having apple, banana, and cherry. We can print a particular element by using 1 here. Okay, the first element can be accessed by using 0, the second element can be accessed by using 1, the third element can be accessed by using 2. So here we are accessing the second element by using 1 here. Okay, now We can have the duplicates. We can have the duplicates, but in set it is not allowed. Okay, in the set it's not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed in the set. Please remember this. Okay, I'll try to do that one. Say I'll take one more time apple. Okay, you see there, two times we have typed apple, but it is considering only one time. Okay, that is the difference. But in tuple, say I'll consider this one as tuple. Say tuple t. I'll give bracket. I'll give bracket. I'll give t. See there, we got two times apple. Okay, that is the difference. In set, duplicates are not allowed. In tuples, duplicates are allowed. Now you see there some methods that are frequently used with tuples. Count. Okay, it will give you the total number of elements. Okay, or the total number of 5 here. How many times 5 has been repeated? 2 times. Similarly, if I type 8, okay, it will give you 8 as also 2 times. Okay, count is a method. The next method is index. If you want the index of 8, it will give you the index, the first index. Its index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we will get the output as 4. The output as 4 here. That's about the index. The next method is length. The next method is length. It will give you the total number of elements. It will give you the total number of elements that are present in this tuple. Okay, so let me do that. So tuple, in this case, t is having if you want to know the index of if you want to know the index of Microsoft, what will be the output, Usha? Index of Microsoft. Index will give you the internal index of the particular element. Okay, in this example, you see there, I'll type enter. Google is having 0 index, Microsoft is having 1, Apple is having 2. Okay, now similarly, I will give Apple. Say its index is 2. Okay, now similarly, I'll add one more element. I'll add one more element into the tuple. Say this time I'll take IBM. Okay, now t dot index of IBM. Now you tell me what will be the index, what will be the output of IBM? 4. Good, Rusha. Okay, you see there, we got 4. Similarly, say I want to know how many times Apple is present. The count of Apple. The count of Apple. It will give you the number of times Apple has been repeated. So it is 2 times. If I want to know how many times Google is there, you see there, it is 1 time. So count will give you how many times it has been present. Similarly, say if you want the length, okay, say the last attribute, length of this tuple. It is like this. If you want to know the total number of elements, what will be the output of this, Usha? It will give you the total number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5. According to my knowledge, it is 5. You see that it is 5. Apple is counted 2 times. Apple is counted 2 times. Okay. So in the length, we need to pass. We need to pass the tuple. Okay. Say I'll take one more. One more example. Say cinemas. Say I will take that one as a tuple. Okay. I'll give some names. KGF. Okay. Now again I'll write KGF. Now, if you want to add, if you want to know the count of KGF, if you want to know the count of KGF, we can write cinemas dot count of KGF. Okay, is it correct, Usha? We need to give quotes. We need to give quotes. Okay, that is the meaning. Let us see if the quote is not given. What is the error? We'll be getting name error. We'll be getting name error if the code is not given. So I'll clear the screen. Import os dot system dot cls. Now that's about the tuples. That's about the tuples. Very few methods are there: length, index, and count. Okay, only few. Very few are there. Say we can also access. We can also access the IBM by using P of 4. See there, we got IBM. This you must know. This is known as indexing. This is known as indexing. Now the next thing is you must know about the time. How to print the time. Say we are having the module like import time. Time is the module name. It is having a method time dot time. It gives you the number of ticks. Okay, we can print how many number of ticks. Here it is. This is the output. Okay, say let me try this. The time module. First we need to import that. I'll go here. I'll paste here. I have imported that. Imported the time module. Now we need the ticks. Ticks is nothing but the most which is made by the big hand of the clock. So now if I want to know the TikToks, how many TikToks have been happened. See there, the total number of ticks. Okay, these many ticks it has been happened. Okay, they are nothing but the seconds. Now if you want to know the date and time, okay, how to get the current date. Okay, now for that we need to import date time from the module date time. Okay, so you copy that. The module name is date time. Please type me date time. Usha, please type me date time. Okay, now I'll go here. I'll paste here. Okay, now from date time we want a method. There is a method like now. Okay, there is a method like now. So it gives you the current time. Say I'll take t is equal to date time. Okay, dot now. Okay, enter. Now you see there, it has given in this way. It has given the date also. It has given the date 12th month, 22nd date, year 2020. Okay, now 20. That means 8 o'clock, 39 minutes, 31 seconds. Okay, these are the microseconds. Okay, now if I run one more time, you see there it has been changed. 39, 59 seconds. Here it has been changed. Okay, so the method here is now. Okay, date time dot now. First the module name, next it is dot now. Okay, now if you see in this example, we are presenting the present time along with in the formatted way. Okay, if you want the thing in formatted way, okay, in this way, first we want year, next we want month, next we want day. If you want something like this, okay, you can see there today's date is first year, next month, next it is day. If you want in this way, we can use a method like present time dot string formatted time, okay. Now I'll copy this, I'll copy this, I'll go here, I'll paste here. Now here it is, here it is t, here it is t, okay, because t is the current time, t is the current time. So you see there today's date is 2020 12 and 22, okay. So here you learned two methods, string formatted time along with now, okay, and the module name is date time. Similarly one more module, time. Now if you want to only print the year, we can get t dot year, we can get t dot month, we can get t dot day. Okay, it's like this. Say if you want today's day, only day, if you want to print only day, you can write print today's day. Today's day is, okay, you colon here, here we need to write t dot day, okay, okay, it's like this, t dot day. Similarly if you want the month, if you want the month, here it is t dot month. You see there, no need of writing print also in the shell prompt. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಉಷಾ? Okay, now I'll clear the screen. You see the output for this. Now the time is, we are printing by using now, okay, date time dot now. Next we are printing today's date in a string formatted way, okay, in a string formatted way. Similarly we are printing year, we are printing a month, we are printing day separately by using dot month, by using dot year, and by using dot day, okay. Now so there is something like this. Let us see what it is. Time delta. One more method is time delta. I'm copying this entire thing. I'll come here, paste here, I'll type enter. Okay. It must be in a single line. Invalid syntax. Okay. We can execute this one in PyCharm. Okay. We can try that one in PyCharm. Now the next thing is local time. If you want the current time by using time module, we are having local time. We are having the method local time. We need to pass time dot time, for that. Okay. Now I'll copy this. I'll copy this. I'll paste here. I'll type enter. Now I'll go there. Current time. We want the current time. See here, it has been given in the other way as a structure, okay. First year, next month, next day. These are known as structures. Usha, you know structures? Okay, structures will be in this way. Struct time, okay. After this, here we'll be having int hour, int second, int minute, Okay, this is a structure. So for it is printing in a format of structures. Now there is one more method like calendar. One more method like calendar. If you pass year and the month name, it will give you the entire calendar. The entire calendar. Okay. For that we need to copy this, paste this. Okay. Now calendar is having a method like month. Okay. So you copy this. I'll take C. I'll take. You see there. We got 2016 June's calendar. Okay. Similarly, if you want 2020 Jan. Okay. Here we need to give 1. Okay. Now if you give C, we will get Jan's calendar, January 2020. Okay. So first it will print all the days and the dates. Okay, these are the days and these are the dates. Okay, that's about the calendar module. That's about the calendar module. So here you learned. So here you learned time and method time in the time module along with ticks. Okay, you must know ticks. They are seconds. Similarly, the now method from the date time module. Okay, along with that string formatted time. One more method like local time from the time module. Okay, it has a parameter time dot time. Okay, it returns the values in structure as a structure. One more method like calendar, it will be having month method. It takes months, it takes the month and year and it gives you the calendar. Okay, now the next topic is files. The next topic is files. Okay, can you give me example for files, Usha? Can you give me example for files? File, songs is a file. Songs is a file. Okay, videos is a file. Videos is also example for file. Similarly, documents, they are files. Okay, documents, they are files. Okay, along with that, PPTs, they are files. Okay, all these are files. All these are files. Okay, now if you see the definition, it's a collection of data. It is a collection of data. Okay, image, image is also a file. Okay, now Python provides some methods like open, okay, which opens the file. We can open a file in multiple modes: in a read mode, in append mode, in write mode, in execute mode, in text mode, in binary mode. Okay. Now you see the example here. I have created a file like demo file.txt. Okay. It returns the file object. It returns the file object. Now I'm opening the file in a read and text mode. After that we will read the lines in this example. Say if you want only if you want to read only 5 lines, we can use this. If you want to read a particular line, we can use f dot read line. Okay, after that we need to close the files. Okay, so I'll clear the screen. Now I'll give open a file like my sample. Now I'll give a file object. I'll give a file object. It's a pointer. My sample ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು file. I'm creating that. Okay. So I may be not able to say current working directory. Import os dot get current working directory. Now say in the users in this folder, uh, okay, Usha, we can stop here. We can do it in next class. Okay. So in this class, you learned tuples, you learned some functions of sets, and you learned time module, date time module, some tuple methods. In the next class, we can learn about the files. Okay. Okay, Usha. Bye, Usha.